Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, unboxing the new Thermion 2 Pro range from Pulsar. Whichever Thermion 2 Pro you buy, it'll come with a smart lens cap that flips open with one hand and rotates so it's never in your way. There's an integrated battery, plus this removable one that's got a rubber cap to protect it when it's not in use. You get a dual charger, great if you also want to charge a spare. The cable for downloading videos, updating the firmware and charging is 1 meter long. You can charge the removable battery when it's in the unit or in the charger. And these show when charging is in progress and how full the battery is. There's even a larger battery cover, so it's easy to upgrade to a high capacity battery if you need more than the up to 10 hours of charge you'll get as standard. Once charged, the battery simply slots into place and locks with a twist of the cap. There's a lens cloth, an eye cup. If you need it, it fits snugly and secures with magnets. Details of how to connect your Thermion 2 Pro to your phone with the free Stream Vision 2 app. 3 years warranty cover. And a quick start guide to get you started quickly. Whichever Thermion 2 Pro you choose, all this is included. So you just need to choose which Thermion 2 Pro is the right one for you. If you need some help with that, subscribe for more videos or visit thomasjacks.co.uk. These are the Thermion 2 Pros from Pulsar, and I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.